golden sun set behind the fields, Harry gathered his sons. He looked at them seriously and said, "My sons, I'm getting old. One day, I won't be here to take care of this land. But listen closely, there's a hidden treasure buried in this very farm." The boys' eyes sparkled. "Treasure?" Raj shouted. "Where is it buried, father?" Dev asked eagerly. Harry smiled mysteriously. "That's for you to find." The next morning, the sons rushed to the field, each grabbing a shovel.